So, quite an interesting breakout session. Thank you very much for that to Polymaker. They are starting to clean up things now. Butter on the toast was really impressive. And now we have the other side of things. We are now talking about the 3D printers in which we can realize those amazing projects. And I want to introduce Michael. Michael is the managing director for Raise3D Europe, and he will tell us a lot about Raise and what you are capable of doing about the printer and anything around it. So, thank you very much for coming. It is really a pleasure to have you here. And now the stage is yours.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Hello, everyone. Yes, good morning. Yes, because we have some audience online, maybe good afternoon, good evening. Okay, so it's a very pleasure to be here. Thank you, 3D for invitation for this great event. Yes, also thanks for the Polymaker to a very interesting demonstration. Yes, we are not doing that. Okay, don't expect that. Yes, so I'm Michael Huang. I'm from the Raise3D BV. Yes, we are not far from here. Yesterday we drive around 2.5 hours from Lebanon to be here with my colleague Flando. I think he's not here. Yes, but yes, it's very honored to be here. Yes, I'll try to share our experience, our information more with you guys, and hope you can have get some idea more about Raise3D and what we are doing. Yes, and also maybe about the print farm. Yes, that's the topic I'm going to explain today. Yeah, so actually at this moment I think we have many 3D printing farm is working really. Yeah, so in Shanghai we have print farm with about 400 3D printers. Yeah, who's working 24 hours, 7 days working, and we have this is fully owned by us, and we have a lot of clients was print farm with also almost 400 printers. Yes, this is the biggest printers farm as far as I know from outside. Yes, and in Germany, not far from here, kind of closely to the Nuremberg, there is a print farm with 100 printers, Raise3D Pro3 printers, and they are printing the final product. Yes, I think our client is selling the final products and use fully protected by the printers. Yeah. Before I go more details about the 3D printing farm, I would like to share more information about our company firstly. So there will be 4 sections. I'll introduce a little bit about our company and what we are doing, our ecosystem, our products. And then it comes to the Pro3 hyperspeed printer. Yes, the printer we're going to display and show in the showroom later. And also these printers we are built mostly for the print farmer. Yeah. So company overview. So Raise3D was officially established about 10 years ago. So it's 2015. I joined the company around also 2014. So, and the business operated since about 2013. Yes, and we consider ourselves now the leading 3D printing company in the industry. And as you already know, 3D printing technology has different types of technologies and also different segments. So what we are doing at this moment, we are mostly focused on the FFF or FDM, yes, fused deposition modeling technology. And from the market perspective, we are mostly focused on the industrial to professional segment. So we are not selling to, maybe we are selling very few printers to individuals or consumer market, but that's not our focus. So what I focus is professional and the industrial level. So I think mostly for the corporates, factory, manufacturers, yeah. The culture of Raise3D. Our vision is to be the pioneering of the flexible manufacturing. Yes, so This is, I think, the first one we are display ourselves as pioneering in this industry, and our mission is to facilitate the flexible manufacturing, of course, with 3D printing technology. Yes, the value of the company is integrity, innovation, harmonious team, and win-win. Yes, I would like to highlight a little bit about the win-win perspective, the mindset. So we're considering nowadays in the commercial world, it's not easy to stand alone. So you always need to collaborate with others, with your suppliers, with your partners, with your clients, with your colleagues. So we always want to have the win-win mindset in our value. That's also the reason I'm here, right? We have our headquarters in Shanghai. The manufacturing center is a city nearby the Shanghai, what we call Lantong. And we also have a U.S. office in Texas. Yes, the headquarters in Europe is in Netherlands. We have 2 offices in Europe. One is in Netherlands, nearby the Rotterdam area, and the other one is in Portugal. So we have 2 offices. The total around 20 people something. Yes, we are not a very big team here. But because we are mostly relying on our partners. Yes, we are relying on our partners to do the sales, to support, and we try our best to support them. The company at this moment will be around 3,500 people. Yes, and we have over 70 engineerings. Yes, it's just engineering. So collective engineering will be a lot of the people or colleagues also, like the project management, product management, something. And 20% of our annual investment is our products. So as you can see, we are a product-oriented company. Yes, so we are mostly selling by channels. So in several segments, like in US and China, because we have different business model, so we are selling directly. But in Europe here, we are mostly rely on our partners. As I just mentioned, we started from the 2015, 10 years ago, exactly 10 years ago. And we started from the kickstart. It's like Formula Labs also. Yes, we start from there, and it's been 10 years. And our products also have already more than 4 generations. And besides the printer firmware, we also have the software. Yes, the Idea Maker and the Raise Clown. And in 2022, we are the first one to launch the hyperspeed printing. Yes, at that moment. And now we are already in the the period of hyperspeed printing period. Yes. And last year we have the hyperspeeder Pro3 HS printer that is with the hyperspeed integrated inside. So brief history of the company. Yes. Ecosystem. So what we are selling, yes, printers, software, material, also the solutions. When we say solutions, it comes to first, of course, we'll provide support. Yes, when you lead us. Yes. Besides that, we also provide kind of customized solutions based on the requirements of some key accounts. The products, yes. As I explained before, so the positioning of the company is more professional to industrial level. So we have 2 lines, professional and industrial level. Professional line, we don't have many printers. We don't have many products. It's easy to see. We have Pro3 is the last generation of the Pro3 HS. So now we are mostly selling the Pro3 HS, the hyperspeed version. And the printer is designed for the production, manufacturing, so long time use. For these 2 printers, it's what we call E2, because in entry level. So for some small companies, they want to try the technology, they can try to use this. You can see the outlook of the printer looks like a microwave. Yes, that's the perception we want you to really see, because we want the printer just like the microwave. So you open, you use it. That's it. Plug and play. E2CF is a special printer customized only for printing the carbon fiber material. Yes, so because we see the trend of the market, we need the fiber reinforced material for printing. Yes, but now it's also open, so you can also print the regular material if it's needed. This is a resin printer, but this is not focused today. So we launched last year. Yes, we are seeing what we are doing now, and we will not talk much today because today for me it's focused on FF technology. Yeah, industrial level. Yes, we have one industrial printer, Army 500. As you can see from the name, so the build size is 500 times 500 and times 500 millimeters. Yeah, it's the size is. I think it's a good size for the industrial level printing for the manufacturing. Yeah. The other one is about the metal fuse. Is metal printing. Yes. So we have upgraded printer based on former generation. So what we call Forge 1. So you can print the metal reinforcement material on our printers. Now we're mostly cooperated with the Forward Aim. Yes. Before it was BSF. Yes. So actually we are very happy with collaboration with them. Actually, they test a lot of printers. In the end, they choose Raise3D, and we have this collaboration. We build the Forge 1, and besides that, we have the debinder and centering. Yes, we are not selling much of these printers, but because the printer is quite expensive compared to the professional printer we're selling, but we are also providing the service for this. So if you want to do something, we have some samples, yes. And let's face it, don't worry, yes. So in the afternoon, our colleague Flander will try to do demonstration about the Forge 1, the metal fuse, how it works, the whole process, and the samples. So if you are interested in, you can looking forward to that. Yeah. So this is two lines of the products: the firmware, the hardware we are selling, and this is some other words we had in past years. The software, yes, this is workflow. So main two software we are providing along with our hardware is about the slicing and the process management. So it's Idea Maker and Raise Cloud. Idea Maker now is we have about 1.2 million users. So it's it's a popular slicing to use, and the active users I think is 80K something. Yeah. It's fully compatible to our printers, but it's also open. Yes, so you can also use Idea Maker for many other printers. Yes, it's also correspond to the mindset I said win-win. So we are quite open, and the Idea Maker, so you can also use. And for slicing, I think not much. I think all of you should be maybe aware about this because you should maybe use 3D technology already. So I will not explain more. And the Raise Cloud. Raise Cloud is a platform you can use to control your printer remotely. Yes. So when it comes to the print farm, so this is one key point for the Raise Cloud. And besides that, you can also define the workflow. So which means the task management. So you can define different role of your team. So like a manager, design, operator. So you can split the different tasks, and when it comes to your team, so it will be easy for you to manage different tasks. If you are using the printers maybe less than 5, maybe it doesn't help much. But if you have printers over than 10, 50, or hundreds, so it will help a lot to improve the efficiency and your working. Yeah. Material, yes. So we are not a manufacturer of the material, the filaments. So, but we are also providing this material from our end. That is mostly because of our clients ask. So this is the basic material we are selling. Is we have the full range of the material, the premium, just regular filaments, and the industrial level, hyper speed, hypercore. Yes, hypercore is more for industrial level. Also industrial level printers, applications. Yeah, I know this is not enough, so that's the reason we have this. We have this is the performance map, just for your reference. because we have a great partner, a great complete polymaker here, so I will not talk much about the filament material. So we have one filament program we call Open Filament Program. Yes, we understand there are a lot of manufacturers of filaments in the market, and the clients will want different material for different applications, different industry. But we are still a small company. We are not very big, so we don't have enough energy to do everything, right? So we try to collaborate with. We have already collaborated with around 40 partners. Of course, Polymaker was here. Yeah, he's here. Yeah. So generally, we let the partners have the printer to test the filaments out. Their filaments are our printers, so they'll try to define the best profile for this. And besides that, we will also try to validate it. Then we will release in our software template platform called the Idea Maker Library. So you can find all profiles there. Yes. So it's easier for the clients. So if you are looking for some material and you don't have it in Raise3D, so you can look at this. We have a lot of templates and materials here. Yeah. It's also, as you can see, it's also correspond to what the mindset we have. It's a win-win open mindset. Yeah. Yeah. Besides the from hardware, software, material, yes, we are also trying to conclude the solutions with many other partners. Yes, there is one example. So last year we launched one orthopedic insole solutions with another two partners, Lutracut, who is the one to define the software. So for the patients, even the regular person now. So if you have any thing wrong with your feet, you want to have your customized insoles, so you can use their software and then our printers and the materials to do it. You can even do it by yourselves. Yes, but mostly we are working with provide this solution to the podiatrist clinics. Yeah, so it's just one example. So we are also trying to working with different partners, so for different area. Yes, so we want to try to make it easier for the market and client to understand how can the technology add value for many other industries. Yeah. Okay, it comes to Pro3 Hyper Speed Series printers. Yeah. Yeah. So what is the printer? There is a short video. Let me. Okay, there is no. A little bit. Okay. Yes, it's an introduction video of the Pro3 HS printer. Yeah. So I will explain a little bit more about the key value of the printers. Yeah, maybe some of you already using our printers. Yeah. So firstly, from the specification, as you can see, okay, of course, the technology is FFF, and the build volume of the printing is 300. 300 and 300 millimeters. So we have two sizes. Yes, Pro 3 HS is cube, and Pro 3 Plus HS is a double height. Yes, the stand printing speed now is 300 to 500 millimeters per second. Yes, we have the auto filament switch function, and it can support the different weight materials. Yes, the positioning of this printer is exactly like the former generations, like Pro 3, like Pro 2. It's designed for the manufacturing. So when it comes to the key values of these printers, so you can see the why we are doing this, why we have this kind of the functional values. Yes. So key values we have here is four. We have four, and the first one is hyperspeed printing with high performance composite material. Yes, it's clearly not for the consumer market. It's for the industrial customers. And when we see the trend of the market, so we are requiring more and more composite material to fit the different segment of the applications. Yes, so the speed is very important. Yes, now everyone is asking for speed, but if you are talking about only speed without see the quality, okay, I think that's a first topic, right? So when we say the speed, we think it's based on the quality we already want. Yeah. So for hyperspeed COF series, we can print around 200 to 300 millimeters per second. For industrial level, it will be around 100 to 150 millimeters per second. So we are also testing the different materials. We also try to create the more faster template. Yes. When it comes to the hyperspeed, it's not just the print itself. So it's a joint project. So material should be matched for the hyperspeed printing, and also the software like slicing. Yes, if slicing doesn't match up, it also maybe fail. So print itself, material, software, all of this match the right, then you can print high speed with high quality. Yeah. This is for composite material and the comparison with our foam printer E2CF. So you can see the speed. Yeah. Okay. The second one is about accuracy. Yes. So we have the yes, increased speed, as I just mentioned. Yes, because not only for the composite material. Yes, for the regular printing, the speed can reach around even 400 to 600 millimeters per second. Yeah. Accuracy. So we have the new closed loop step motor. Yes, this is just one point. That's show what we are doing. We want to do on the printer. Yes, we also have other small things, improvement on the printer to make sure we have enhanced accuracy. Yes. New printing build plates. So yes, also improve the accuracy, also the success rate. So of reducing the model wrapping and some others. Yeah. Longer lasting reliability and durability. I think that's the key. Yes, when we comes to the manufacturing, yes, we always want that. Since 2015, we started to launch our printers. The first generation printers we launched is N series. Actually, we still see a lot of N series printers working in the market. It's a great thing we are seeing. Yes, I think that maybe consider one also key difference when you compare Raise3D with other branders or consumer printers, something. Yeah. Yes, for other printers, maybe you can use it for very short time or something, but for longer time and the reliability, I think Raise3D is still one of the best options now in the market. Yeah. We have the strength, hold-end, and metal Luso, and compare with other metal frame and dual gear extruder. So we have the long hour production. The design, the lifespan of the printer is at least 5 years. Yes, we are very confident to also offer long-term warranty for our products. So now, according to the regulation, we offer 1 year standard warranty. But if we are trying to maybe offer more warranty according to the requirements of the clients. Yes, last year we have a campaign. If you are old customers, clients of Raise3D, you can register your printer on our website. You get extra 1 or 2 years. Yes, so yes, that's also the our confidence. Yes, the production efficiency with manual intervention. Yes, so when it comes to 10, 20, 30, 50 printers, 100 printers, you need to think about the efficiency. Do you need to run printer in different shifts? Do you need to have how many people to operate the printers? That's very important. And that's a very good topic always to discuss. So we want to do, firstly, of course, we can support on this side, but mostly before that, we want to consider from the printing itself firstly. Yes, so this is auto filament switching. So as you can see, we have 2 extruders. For the second extruder, mostly for the supporting material or something. Yeah, but when it comes to manufacturing, you can use it for the filament switching. So, so it will heavily, I think, decrease the manual intervention of the using of the printers. Yeah. And yes, when we have the big filaments, why we have big filaments? Because we want to manufacture the big parts. We want to the printer doesn't stop, so we have the big filaments. Yeah. We have the filament RFID sensor to make it easy to for the users to don't make any mistakes. So when you just have the sensor scan it, I think it will help you to identify the best profile and also increase the efficiency and the print success. This is key for values I would like to explain, but it's from these values you can see why we define our printers, why we have this. It's really because of the positioning of our products and our company. Yeah. So besides these functions, we also have others. Yes. So we want the printer as easy as much to use. Yes. So we have the EVA Smart System, so it can guide people to locate the issues or try to have so you can have the final project good. Yeah. Powerless recovery. Even we don't have many. We don't need to use it here, right? But for many other clients, maybe they need, yes. Automation detection, airflow manager, auto bed leveling, and the live camera. All this is for you to easy to operate, yes. As I explained just a moment, so when it comes to the hyperspeed, it's not really just the print itself. It must come with very hyperspeed, a good hyperspeed material. Yeah, so it's a system. So we have a hyperspeed film family. Yes. Yes, we also have. This is a material segment I explained before, and we have hypercore series material. Yes. Industrial series material. Yes. The quality of the material matters a lot, really. Yes, so that's the reason we have very high demands and requirements on the film quality control. Yes, this is our target. Yes, and we are doing this. Yeah, it's not easy to print the composite material, especially when it's doing hybrid printing. But when we are launching the materials from outside, we fully test it and make sure it's in good way to print, so you don't need to worry about. You can just choose and play. Yeah. Okay, I will not share much more about the filaments. Yes. Yeah, this is a hypercore PPA CF25, some performance comparison, something. Yeah. Okay, so it comes to the last part about printing farmer. Yes, so we are seeing print farm is quite hot in the last 2 years, especially because our headquarters is in Shanghai, because we see a lot of the print farm in China and not here. Yes, we are seeing about it. Why is it? Why it happening? Yes, so especially after the pandemic, I think global supply chain is break during the pandemic. So a lot of corporates, they are thinking about this. So even now the local production manufacturing also it can solve the issue we had before. Besides, it will also save the cost and invest than before. That's the reason I think we see more and more is happening. Yeah. So generally, before we go to the 3D print farm, so we need to think about applications. Yes. Before we are doing more about the prototyping. Yes. Now I think we are one more step than prototyping, right? So it's going to tooling and production. Yeah. Here is some case study about the small batch production. Yeah. So this is motorcycle parts. Yes, and at the very beginning, I think it was about 2 weeks when you do the CNC, but now it's just hours. Yes, now it's quite fast, of course. This is a last case study about the. Yes, so this is the tooling for jigs and features. Yes, we have the clients can already do the inside supply, so the process time is much less, and the high quality than before. Yeah. This is some print farm we had. Yes. This is 25 printers, and they do the PCB thing. Small batch wire high-length 25 printers. This is E2 print, but they are also doing the small batch producers. This is spare parts for end users, so you can just use for the final. This is a real way case. Yeah. Samples here. This is one client who manufactures battery cell trays. Before it will take about 35 days and $400 per piece something. Then now they are using our Raise3D printers. This is the factory I mentioned 400 printers we're doing by themselves. Yes, they're doing a lot. Yeah, and when it comes to printing the big parts, it saves a lot of more time and cost. Yeah. Battery mock-up, custom samples. Yes. Before by CNC, it takes about 15 days, and the cost of the unit is about $50. Now, with almost the same and less investment within 4 days, and you can have the same, and the price is even much cheaper. Yeah. Yes. So this is a case study about this 400 printers. They are the international leading manufacturer of the automatic batteries. Yes, at the very beginning, so they invest a lot in the tooling and fixtures. So it's about $350 million US. Yes, and the leading time for each part is around 25 days. So now they are printing every day with our printers, and the cost will reduce around half. And of course, lead time is only 3 days now. When we are working with them, so we try to understand how to support them. So we do a site scanning. We go to their factory and we try to see their process, and we identify the parts they used. For this one is most jigs and fixtures. So we try to identify all parts, metal parts, non-metal parts, and we try to optimize, see which parts can be transferred fully to the 3D printing technology. Yes, then this, as you can see from what we are trying to identify, and then we only have most of the parts we still transfer to the plastic ones that can be used. Only very few left in metal. Yes, it saved, as I mentioned, saved half of the investment per year. Yeah. This is battery, power battery, what to say? Yes. So we are starting with them around 2022, October. Yes. And firstly, we send 15 printers and with hyperspeed printing technology, and we try to test. And we test about 400 samples within 1 week, and a different type of the parts. Yes, and we meet the test they want, and then it proved that the application, the full low hole works. Then we go to the phase stage 2, and then it's really fast. It works very fast. Yes, in January, within around 3 months something, we have installed 300 printers. Yes, and until now they have 400 printers. Yes, the daily consumption of filaments is over 200 kg. Yes. I don't think this is a very typical sample for everyone. Yes, because they are doing quite big. Yes, but for a lot of the companies, big corporates, I think it can be the mindset for the future. If you want to do things, you can try to see how can you adopt the technology, the 3D printing farm, with your daily use, your applications. Yeah. Yes, this is samples. Yes, before it takes 30 days, 150 euro, US dollars. Yes, and later with also the optimization from the software. So we are also working with some software company who can try to. You don't have to. Sometimes you don't have to design the jigs or fixtures for yourself. So you have the parts you want to print, but you want to generate that jigs and fixtures. So with the software, we can just generate it automatically. So we are going to have the webinar for this very soon, online. Yes, and so it will help. So you can see in the end, the parts weight decreased to 260 gram, and the cost less than $7 US. This is a large sample before it was formed parts. Yes, and after that, cost and weight both improved. Yeah, a lot of parts. Yes. Yeah, because I think the presentation today is not trying to give you some more information about how the print farm, how you do it. Mostly it's about the mindset. Think about this. Yeah. Jigs fixtures. Yes. So when you are managing more than 10 printers, it's not just you need really a good software to do it. So we are using the Raise3D, as I explained before. So it really helps you to improve your efficiency, save the labor cost, also easier for you to expand the productions. Yeah. Okay, so when it comes to the print farm, mostly what we see now, there will be two kind of the farm. Yes, one is the centralized print farm. Yes, yeah. For example, we have one client in Netherlands. They have around 30 printers. They are printing the orthopedic insoles, as I explained, and they distribute these insoles to their clinics, podiatrists. Yes, they do the centralized printing farm. Some other corporates, they are considered distributor printing farm. So you're using the same system, you have the same team to manage it, but the printer is in a different location. In Germany, in Netherlands, in Austria, you have the team to manage it, but the printer is a different location. When you lead to printer, you decide from which location is the best for you to print. Yeah. And we are also providing this kind of solution package. Yes, 3D printing side scan. Yes, we are still. It's still at the very early stage, but we are talking with our partners and clients. We are trying to do this, so we can try to do the side scan for you, and we have validates what the parts can be converted to 3D printing, validate applications, and we provide the software printers, about the material. It doesn't have to be from Raise3D. It can be from any other brand. Yes. So we try to search and find the right material for you, and we can even do the installation of the farm and to train your team to be operate and for the farm management. Yes, the warranty is also the key for the when you build a farm for the long-term use, right? Besides that, there will be some corporate package, including the service, the training, the know-how, how to use a different material with the different maybe software to achieve what you want. Yeah. So generally, when you build a print farm, some factors you need to consider, like the size. It depends on what is the volume you want to print, the power, insulate, environment like the humidity, like the insulation. Yes, we have built already some print farms, so we have a lot of energy and knowledge about this. So this will be including the corporate package I just explained. Yeah. So more or less, that's the presentation I had today. Yes. The next one, it will be we have the printers, Raise3D Pro3 printers in the showroom. Yeah, we can go there, we can display, we can show you a little bit how it works. Mostly, I think you know how it works. But if you have any questions about this or about printers, you can ask me or my colleague. We can try to answer you. And about the metal printing part, will be in the afternoon. So yes, that's it. Thank you. Yeah. Shall we have also maybe 5 minutes break and we go there?
Yeah. So thank you very much, Michael, for presenting all these interesting things. Good to see that there's a really large farm with 400 printers producing parts each and every day.
We're looking for a lot of big ones, generally, right? The biggest one, maybe.
Yeah, I heard there are also some big farms with 100 plus printers in Germany. So yeah, really great to see your progress as a company. And yeah, of course, we want to see the printer. I would say we make a 5-minute break and then we head out to the breakout session in the showroom. Thank you very much. Vielen Dank.